Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide correct answers in Google Forms. Google Forms allows you to create quizzes with automatic grading, but in some cases you might want to hide the correct answers from respondents. This is particularly useful when you don't want students to answer answers immediately, or you plan to reuse the quiz in the future, or you want to manually review responses before revealing results. Fortunately, Google Forms provides settings to hide correct answers during and after quiz submission. And in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of hiding correct answers in Google Forms step by step. So let's get started. The first step is to open Google Forms and switch to quiz mode. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now once logged in, click on the settings and switch or toggle on to make a quiz. Now we're going to select a form before that. You can create a new form or select an already existing one. For this example, I'm going to select an already existing one. Now here, go to the settings and toggle on this option right here that says make this a quiz. You can toggle it on. The second step is to disable correct answers visibility. Now under release grades, select later after manual review instead of immediately after submission. This ensures that correct answers remain hidden until you decide to share results. Select here, later after manual review. The third step is to remove answers feedback. And you can do that by clicking on each question and edit the answers feedback. Here, go to the question. Let's see the answer key and click on add an answer feedback, and here you can delete any hints or explanation that reveals the correct answer. As for the fourth step, disable missed questions and correct answers. Now in the settings, go to settings, go back to settings tab and go to presentation section right here. Now here uncheck missed question and correct answers under results summary. Let's see here. As for the fifth step, test the quiz for hidden answers. Review the form and submit a test response to ensure no answers are displayed. You can preview the form by clicking on the eye icon into the top right to preview the form, the final form. As for the sixth and final step, manually share results when ready. Once students have completed the quiz, go to responses and choose individual and choose release scores manually. And this was it for today's tutorial. Hiding a correct answer in Google Form is an effective way to prevent cheating. We use quizzes and control when students see their results by adjusting quiz settings, disabling answer feedback, and manually releasing grades. You can create a secure and fair testing environment, whether you're an educator, trainer, or researcher. These settings help ensure students focus on learning rather than memorizing correct answer. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.